Thank you. Like many that have come before me, I'm also appreciative of CNLM and what they do for us as students and how they facilitate helping us be better mentors and better students of science. And I'm truly honored to be receiving this award. When I was thinking about the things that mattered most to Dr. John Haycock, I was really impressed by the things that he valued. Like me, he loves mentoring. He loved using cellular and biology techniques to understand neurodegenerative disease in the hopes of helping people. I didn't always know what I wanted to be when I grew up. While my friends were always saying they wanted to be a fireman or a doctor or something, I had no idea what I wanted to do. But I did know that it had to involve helping people. So in my first year PhD class, when Dr. Elizabeth Head told me that individuals with Down syndrome get Alzheimer's disease 100% of the time, or almost 100% of the time, I immediately wanted to help. And so one of the ways that our lab works to help people is we actually look at the brains of individuals with Down syndrome, and we compare them to brains that have Alzheimer's disease. And in this way, we hope to find differences that can identify potential druggable targets to treat Alzheimer's disease. And specifically what I do is I am trying to understand how a memory support cell called an astrocyte helps prevent disease. And picture in your mind, if you will, a 5-point star. Now each of these points represents an arm, and this is what an astrocyte looks like. And these arms are really important for protecting and defending our memory cells. They'll actually help the memory cells communicate by keeping them together. And they'll actually do this in order to consolidate memory. And so it's really important what they do. Their arms also help to fight off bad things, like in Alzheimer's disease. And I'm a child of the 80s, so bear with me, but I grew up watching the Rocky movies, and I love Rocky Balboa. I heard a woo out there, thank you. So if you've ever seen the original Rocky movie, there is a famous fighter, the heavyweight champion, Apollo Creed, and he wants to fight the most likely underdog in the community, and that happens to be Rocky Balboa. And as Rocky is preparing for this fight, his trainer, Mickey, is identifying his strengths and weaknesses to help him better prepare. And so I like to think of myself as Mickey in this scenario, where I'm looking at the astrocytes, which are Rocky, and identifying their weaknesses and strengths to help promote their fight against, and successful fight against Alzheimer's disease or Apollo Creed. And in this way, I hope to deliver that final knockout to Alzheimer's disease. Thank you.